Hello, everyone. This is Kathy Mason from MasonWorks Marketing, and I'm really excited. I'm here today to learn about the Unity sign from Peter Melton. Hi, Peter.
Hello, Kathy. Great to be here with you. And wow, what an exciting time to be alive, huh?
Yep. You gonna
Sheesh,
show
we
us?
find our.
Gonna tell us?
We,
I'm
yeah, I can show you. I can tell you if you haven't heard already. It's a joy to tell you. So the old peace sign started with Winston Churchill, stood for V for victory. Then in the 60s, it became the peace sign. Let's have peace. Let's get along. Can two sides figure out how to get along? Well, it seems like this sign and the idea of peace hasn't quite worked in the speed that we need it to work. So I got downloaded this idea back in 1994 at the Woodstock 25-year reunion that Peter, there's more to peace. Help us figure out what more to peace, or download it into me. And so over years, 26-year adventure, it's now landed as the Unity sign, which is starting to spread around the world. And now the two fingers stand for, we used to think we were separate.
Okay.
We used to think we were separate from each other, from the planet, from our future, from everything. We love to separate ourselves from stuff. It's
Right.
crazy, humans. But now it stands for something different. Now it stands for, we used to think we were separate. We are remembering. The fingers come together toward the heart. We're remembering that's not true. What's true is that we're one family, sharing one planet, co-creating one future. And when we come from that heart-based love energy, we can work together to create peace on the planet. So it's a peace in, peace out. It's called the Unity sign. I'm doing my best to remember. When I do remember and come from here, I can act peacefully. And so we're doing this together, all in this together, as we all know now. And everything is pointing toward unity, pointing toward how do we support Mother Earth at the same time as not just the human family, but also all our planet mates and our nature that we require. So we're all learning to act in unity with all of our surroundings. And we can do this. We are doing it. This is happening. We're all going to the same place, which is remembering that we're all one. And here we are living it, doing it, spreading the unity sign as you like. And here we go.
Okay, so here we go, everyone. Next time I see you, I expect you to be doing this. I can't hug anyway.
That's right. We can't hug, right? You can't hug or shake hands or do high fives. So you flash a little sign that says, I get it. We're in crazy times and we need to work together.
That's right.
Right? That's what's up.
Perfect.
And that's who we're becoming, letting go of some of that other stuff that we thought was most important and remembering what's most important in our hearts, the love that we are.
Perfect. Thank you. So everyone, you'll have to look up Peter. He's on Facebook a lot. And do you want to give them your website too?
Yeah, petermelton.com, a basic website that has more of my writings and crazy stuff I like doing, like Oktoberfest or being Santa Claus or writing children's fables and helping people understand the climate situation and God knows whatever comes next. But we're all doing this together, and it's a joy to be in the game with all of you. And thank you, Kathy.
Oh, super. Okay, so one more time. Let's do it
One
together.
more time. Peace in, peace out.
Peace out. Okay, guys. See you later.